There was a 4-second delay between videos 1 and 2. The camera itself isn't able to save larger files than that length. That 4-second delay should be added to the total time burned for this torch. The flame has dimmed quite a bit and is now only illuminating perhaps a 5-foot circle in good light. It might be possible to argue that it's still illuminating around 10 feet, but it definitely is not illuminating 15. Around half of the batting is no longer being able to maintain the flame against the wind, and once again it is the windward side that is dimming. Though as far as I can tell, it is still burning.
Hey, how's it going?
I didn't even see you there when I drove in.
Now you know what it is to have someone sit around the fire and so blindly walk past.
So what?
It's like last week when I blindly walked past you walking past the fire. Yeah.
We're going down to San Diego, so Cass is going to come pick me up in a sec, but I didn't want to leave him at his house because
Yeah, for sure.
Lord Jesus. She went for his other remote today. I was like, I'll kill her.
While dimmed, the torch is still burning strongly. Xena, down the way. Good girl. The handle itself still seems to be mostly unburnt below the jointing between the batting and the wood, and is still cool to the touch. Jostling it just that little amount broke the remaining bit of the torch off. It seems that the jointing between the batting and the torch handle was insufficient. This is the remaining bundle of the torch, and I will time from this point forward to see how long that batting burns. However, at this point it is no longer a valid test, and this torch has a lifespan ending now.